So first is, as a general rule, I think the earlier in the day you do something, the better odds are that it's going to happen. The more of the day that goes on, the more real estate there is for something to interrupt you, for somebody else's agenda to get put on top of yours, for somebody to need something or an emergency happens. It's just, you decrease the likelihood that the habit's going to occur. So generally speaking, I think stacking a group of habits earlier in the day is probably good. Having said that, there are 24 hours in everybody's day, but each hour is under different levels of control for you. So I think the question is not like, do you have enough time? The question is, which of your hours are within your control, or which of your hours can you shape better than others? Some hours are a lot more in your control than others. Like if you have somebody who doesn't have kids, then meditating at 7 a.m. might be a great time to do it. But if you have like toddlers running around and trying to get pants on your kid, then, that's not a good time to try to do that habit. And so you need to figure out which of your hours are under your control. And then there's also circadian rhythm stuff and trying to time things up, especially physical things like working out or whatever. Like, sure. So we can try to do some optimization there if you have the control over that hour. But the other thing I think that is important to ask is, which of my habits are upstream from other good things happening? So for me, I know that probably if I was going to pick the big pillars of what really makes a good day for me, do I get a workout in? Do I read? It really doesn't even have to be long. It could just be 5 minutes, but do I do any reading? And then do I write one sentence? Those are kind of my like measures. Now, of course, for me, the hardest part is choosing what to write.